Welcome back. Today we're turning up the heat with cayenne pepper, an everyday spice with extraordinary health benefits. From metabolism boosts to pain relief, we'll uncover how this fiery red powder can transform your wellness routine. Let's dive in. Cayenne's secret weapon is capsicum, the powerful compound responsible for its signature fiery heat and vibrant red color. Capsicum is what makes your mouth tingle and your body feel a gentle warmth after eating spicy foods. But beyond just adding a kick to your meals, capsaicin has some fascinating effects on your body's metabolism. When you eat cayenne pepper, capsaicin triggers a process called thermogenesis. This is your body's natural way of generating heat by burning calories. Essentially, your body works a little harder, using more energy to process the spicy food, which can result in a slight increase in calorie burn. Scientific studies have shown that capsaicin can boost your metabolic rate by about 5%. That means your body's burning more calories than it would without the spice, even while you're at rest. This effect might seem small, but over time, it can make a noticeable difference. In addition to increasing your metabolic rate, capsaicin also enhances fat oxidation by up to 16% after a meal. Fat oxidation is the process where your body breaks down fat molecules to use as energy, which is especially helpful if you're aiming to manage your weight or improve your body composition. While cayenne isn't a miracle solution for weight loss, incorporating just a quarter to half a teaspoon into your daily meals can help you burn a few extra calories each day. Over weeks and months, these small changes can add up, supporting your overall health goals. The key is consistency. Try sprinkling cayenne on your morning eggs, stirring it into soups, stews, or even adding a pinch to your favorite sauces and marinades. The more regularly you include it in your diet, the more you'll benefit from its metabolism-boosting effects. Of course, cayenne pepper is just one piece of the puzzle. It's important to remember that no single food can replace the benefits of a balanced diet and regular exercise. Think of cayenne as a helpful addition to your healthy lifestyle, not a substitute for good habits. Over time, these small boosts in calorie burning can accumulate, making it easier to maintain or reach your weight management goals. Even if the changes seem minor day to day, they can have a meaningful impact in the long run. So, if you're looking for a simple, flavorful way to fire up your metabolism, why not give cayenne pepper a try? It's an easy addition to your meals that could help you feel more energized and support your journey to better health. Contrary to what you might think, cayenne pepper can actually be a powerful ally for your digestive system when used in moderation. While some people worry that spicy foods might upset their stomach, research shows that cayenne, thanks to its active compound capsaicin, can actually help your body process food more smoothly. For centuries, traditional medicine has used cayenne to stimulate digestion and ease discomfort after meals. When you eat cayenne, it stimulates the production of saliva and digestive juices, which are essential for breaking down food efficiently. This means your body can absorb nutrients more effectively, making each meal more nourishing. The extra saliva also helps lubricate your mouth and throat, making it easier to chew and swallow, and can even enhance the flavors of your food. Capsaicin, the main active ingredient in cayenne, may even help protect your stomach lining. It does this by encouraging your stomach to produce more protective mucus, which acts as a natural barrier against stomach acids. This can reduce the risk of developing ulcers and soothe irritation, especially for those who occasionally experience heartburn or indigestion. Cayenne also has impressive antibacterial properties. It can help your body fight off harmful bacteria, such as H. pylori, which is known to contribute to stomach ulcers and other digestive issues. By keeping your gut environment healthier, cayenne may support your immune system and overall well-being. If you're new to cayenne, start with a small pinch in warm water or sprinkle it over your meals. Listen to your body, especially if you have a sensitive stomach or are prone to digestive discomfort. Over time, you may find that your tolerance increases and you can enjoy a bit more heat in your dishes. For many people, adding cayenne to their diet can help reduce bloating and gas by promoting smoother, more efficient digestion. It can also help relieve that heavy feeling after a big meal, leaving you feeling lighter and more comfortable. So, whether you're looking to spice up your meals or support your gut health, remember, a little cayenne can go a long way for your digestive system. Capsaicin is a proven natural pain reliever, especially when applied topically. It works by depleting substance P, a neurotransmitter that sends pain signals to your brain. With regular use, capsaicin creams can provide relief for nerve pain, arthritis, and sore muscles. The warming sensation increases blood flow and soothes stiffness. Always follow instructions and wash your hands after applying. Avoid sensitive areas. The initial burn fades as your nerves become desensitized. It's a powerful, drug-free way to manage pain. Nature's heat can be your ally in pain relief. Cayenne acts as a vasodilator, relaxing and widening your blood vessels for better circulation. This means more oxygen and nutrients reach your organs, muscles, and brain. Improved blood flow can help lower blood pressure and reduce strain on your heart. It may even help with cold hands and feet by opening up tiny capillaries. Some studies suggest cayenne can lower LDL cholesterol and prevent blood clots. Keep your circulatory system running smoothly with a dash of cayenne. Better blood flow, better health. Cayenne pepper isn't just a fiery spice that adds a kick to your favorite dishes. It's also a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. Many people are surprised to learn that this vibrant red powder can do more than just wake up your taste buds. Not only does cayenne boost your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently, but it also plays a key role in controlling your appetite. That means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or overeat at meals. The secret lies in capsaicin, the active compound in cayenne. Capsaicin has been shown to reduce levels of hunger hormones, making you feel fuller for longer periods of time. This can make it much easier to stick to your healthy eating goals and avoid unnecessary snacking. Some research even suggests that capsaicin may slow down the formation of new fat cells in the body, which could help prevent future weight gain. Scientists are still studying exactly how this works, but the early results are promising. By adding cayenne to your meals, you're giving yourself a three-pronged weight loss advantage. You'll likely eat less, burn more calories, and store less fat over time. Of course, cayenne isn't a miracle cure or a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise, but when used as part of a healthy lifestyle, it can be a smart and flavorful addition to your routine. Try sprinkling a little cayenne on your breakfast eggs, avocado toast, or even your lunch salad. It's an easy way to add flavor and help curb cravings throughout the day. Remember, small changes, like adding a pinch of cayenne to your meals, can add up to big results over time. Consistency is key and every healthy choice counts. So, spice up your weight loss journey with cayenne pepper and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, more vibrant you. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, but cayenne's capsaicin helps keep it in check. It blocks NF-kappa B, a key protein that triggers inflammation in the body. This systemic effect can help reduce joint pain and swelling, especially in conditions like arthritis. Combine cayenne with other anti-inflammatory foods for best results. It's a simple, tasty way to support your body's fight against inflammation. Add a little spice to your anti-inflammatory routine. Cayenne is packed with vitamin C, ounce for ounce, even more than oranges. It's also rich in vitamin A, which keeps your body's barriers strong against germs. Antioxidants in cayenne protect your immune cells from damage. Add it to soups or teas during cold and flu season for extra support. A strong immune system starts with the right nutrients. Spice up your defenses with cayenne. Your immune system will thank you. Stuffy nose. Cayenne's capsaicin acts as a natural decongestant. It thins mucus and helps clear nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. Try a pinch in hot tea with lemon and honey for quick relief. Never put cayenne directly in your nose. Stick to food and drinks. It's a safe, natural way to ease sinus pressure. Breathe easier with a little spice. Cayenne can make you sweat, helping your body eliminate toxins through your skin. It also boosts circulation, speeding up the removal of waste products via your liver and kidneys. The lymphatic system gets a nudge too, helping clear out unwanted materials. Think of cayenne as a gentle helper for your body's natural detox systems. Add it to meals or warm drinks for a cleansing boost. No fad detox is needed, just real food and a little heat. Support your body's cleanup crew with cayenne. Cayenne's vasodilating effect can help lower blood pressure by relaxing your blood vessels. Animal studies show promising results, and many people report benefits. It's not a replacement for medication, but it's a smart addition to a heart-healthy diet. Always consult your doctor before making changes if you have hypertension. A little spice can support your cardiovascular health. Keep your heart happy with cayenne. Cayenne's benefits extend to your skin, both inside and out. Topical capsaicin creams can help with psoriasis and reduce itching and redness. Eating cayenne delivers antioxidants and vitamins that fight aging and boost collagen. Improved circulation means a healthier, glowing complexion. Use it in your diet or as a cream for skin support. Spice up your skincare routine. Eating spicy foods like cayenne triggers endorphin release, your body's natural feel-good chemicals. This spicy high can boost your mood and even help relieve stress. It's a safe, natural pick-me-up on tough days. Add a little heat to your meals for a quick mood lift. The burn leads to a rush of pleasure. No wonder spicy food is addictive. Let cayenne put a smile on your face. Cayenne pepper is more than just a spice, it's a powerhouse for your health. Start small, use it wisely, and enjoy the benefits without overdoing it. Always check with your doctor if you have health concerns. Have you tried cayenne? Share your experience in the comments. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more wellness tips. Stay spicy and stay healthy.